Welcome back, students. Now we see adding manure and fertilizers. Why it is very important to add manure and fertilizers. Okay. So the whole process I have compared with your exam. So this is also I am comparing with your exam. Preparation of exam, finding the importance. Now adding manure and fertilizers. Sometimes it happens we are getting some objective questions, we are getting some important questions, we are getting some important informations, okay, which helps you to get better marks. So what we will do, we use that, yes or no? If you are finding us very short tricks to remember the whole short notes, if you are finding a very simple trick to do the multiplication within a few seconds, we use that because it is save your time. Same here, if we are adding some manure and fertilizers, how it will help you? Let's see. The substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called soil manure and fertilizers. Okay, it just helps the crop to get better crop production. You are adding some extra nutrients to the soil which mix with the water, and that water will be utilized, that water will be absorbed by the roots of the plants, and with the help of that the plants grow better, the plants grow healthy. Okay, so soil manure and fertilizers supplies mineral nutrients to the crop. These nutrients are essential for the growth of plants. Continuous growing of crops makes the soil poor in certain nutrients. Suppose the whole year you are taking the one kind of crop productions, and that crop requires only nitrogen based minerals. So what happen? Every time you are taking the same crop, so just because of that soil has a nitrogen deficiency, lack of nitrogen is there. So what happen? Slowly gradually you are getting the very less amount of crop production. The same crop is there, but first time if you are taking it is 100%, second time it is little bit lower 80%, then 70%, and at the end of the year hardly it is 50%. So what we can say, if you are using the same kind of nutrient every time, so there is a fixed amount of nutrient in the soil, it will be utilized slowly. So it has a deficiency of that particular nutrients. So our crop will not suffer due to this lack of nutrients. We as a farmer have to add manure and fertilizer to get the better crop production. Okay, therefore farmers have to add manure to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients. This process is called manuring. Improper or insufficient manuring results in weak plants. Okay, we have to use this fertilizers and this manure in a judicial way, otherwise it damages the crop also. Okay, if you are taking a medicines for your healthy and to get the healthy and fit body, but the overdose of that medicine will always damage your health. The same way happen with the plant also. It is good to add manure and fertilizers, but overuse of this manure and fertilizers may weak the plants. You are not getting the expected crop production. Now what are fertilizers? So fertilizers are chemical substance which are rich in a particular nutrient. Fertilizers are produced in factories. The use of fertilizers has helped farmer to get better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy and maize. Again I am repeating, fertilizers are chemical substances. Whatever plants are getting from the nature, they all are not chemical substance, they are natural substance. Remember this thing, they are natural substance, they are not chemicals. But the manure and fertilizers are chemical, and long time, over period of time or more use of such kind of chemicals always harm the plant. But excessive use of fertilizers has made the soil less fertile. fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution. Nowadays, more use of such kind of chemicals affect the or leads to the water pollution and soil pollution. Now, what is the advantage of manure? The organic manure is considered better than fertilizers. This is because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. Porous means little bit hollow. You can compare this with the sponge. If you keep your sponge inside the water, it filled with the water. When you take out and just press it, all the water will come out. So that is porous. It increases the number of friendly microbes and it improves the structure of the soil. Friendly microbes, because chemicals always harm that whatever friends of farmers are inside the soil, like earthworm and microbes. Sometimes it happens overuse of such kind of chemicals leads to kill these particular microbes, which helps in the fertility of soil. So we have to use such kind of chemicals in a judicious way. If you require only 20% fertilizers and you are adding 30% fertilizer, so it obviously harms the plant also. Okay, take moong or gram seeds and germinate them. Select 3 equal size seedlings out of this. Now take 3 empty glasses or similar vessels. Mark them A, B and C. To glass A, add little amount of soil, mix with a little cow dung and manure. This is the natural fertilizer, cow dung and manure. This is natural fertilizers. In glass B, put the same amount of soil mixed with a little urea. Urea is a fertilizer, that is man-made chemical. Take the same amount of soil in glass 3 without adding anything, neither natural fertilizers nor chemical, that is man-made fertilizers. Now pour the same amount of water in each glass and plant the seedling in them. Keep them in a safe place and water them daily. After 7 to 10 days, observe their growth. Okay, the activity is what on the basis of what kind of manure and what kind of fertilizers are very useful. Now see the observe. Did all the plants in all the glasses grow at the same pace? No. Which glass showed better growth of plants? In which glass was the growth fastest? That you have to observe. So whatever plants in which you are adding the cow dung, you have added the natural fertilizers, has the better crop production. Okay, and this is the difference between the fertilizer and manure. A fertilizer in an inorganic salt, manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cow dung, cattle dung, human waste and plant residues. A fertilizer is prepared in factories and manure can be prepared in the field. A fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil and manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Okay, next we will see what is the irrigation. Okay, till here if you have any question and query you can ask me.